Okay, this is the Graphite right here with the dash skin, and I'm fixing to glue it in. And we'll talk to you again when I do that. Okay, stage 2, I've got it glued down and weighted down with bags of rice. And we're going to leave it until tomorrow. Okay, hey everyone. I got this in. If you look at the old dash, which I showed, you'll see a big difference in the new dash and the old dash. And it was easy to put in, just like they said. Most of the time when people say, oh, it's so easy, it's never easy, this was easy. It definitely was easy. Okay, so, and it's a lot cheaper than buying a brand new dash, trust me. So anything that's showing on it is a reflection from bugs on the windshield and so forth. I don't know how I got bugs on the windshield when I haven't been anywhere, but hey, what can you say? Okay. So anyway, it's nice and hot out here. I don't know what the temperature is. It's got to be in the 80s. So I may find a place to go swimming. If I can't find a warm place to go swimming, then you should go swimming if you're in a warm place. And if you can't find a warm place to go swimming, snuggle up with someone. Heck, stay warm. Turn that AC on. Okay. We will see y'all again really soon, and love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye.